Alright, so we've talked a lot about how to make money online, how to do various things to make money online, offline, in many ways. At some point you'll try it and you'll become reasonably good at it and you start making money. And then there will be a lot of people who are thinking about doing what you're doing, right? You're already successful at it, they're starting, guess what? They're aspiring to be where you are. And it's the perfect kind of situation if you can get a hold of those people to coach them, right? You can set up your training, course, book, right? A whole training series around how to get, for those people who want to get where you are, and since you're already there, you have the credential, right? You can explain to them, you can teach them how to get where you are. So not only can you start making money doing whatever tactic you're already doing, but why not start generating like passive income mostly, right? Selling books, selling courses, making videos on how to get those people who are just starting to get where you are, which is being successful at it, right? And so you can, create a book, create online videos, create a course, and provide one-on-one personal coaching. Another thing you can do is start a mastermind group where you have 5 or 10 people. You meet regularly online and you coach them. They're all basically beginning and you're kind of more advanced, and so they pay you. These are actually reasonably lucrative because they pay you maybe like $100 or $200 each or $300, however you can get it to work. But they pay you a reasonable amount of money to be in your group, in your training group. You don't spend that much time because you devote your time to them. Like one of you trains 10 of them at the same time, right? So you spend very little time, and you make good money from that kind of mastermind group. So it goes all the way from selling a 99-cent Kindle book to providing a course to the one-on-one coaching, which is hourly, and then the panacea, the ultimate thing you want to do is create a one-to-many teaching relationship that's like personal, right? Not they bought something from you, but like personal, because then you can charge most money per student. If that makes sense. I guess. Well, unless you can sell your course for an expensive rate, then it's also, you can make money like that. But yeah, if you become good at if you become successful at anything, or are on your way to becoming successful at anything, you can create this whole educational system for other people who aspire to be just like you. The really good example of this is a podcaster, John Lee Dumas, who, I don't know how the heck he did it, but he's making something like $200,000 a month podcasting. And if you think about it, podcasting is a free product, right? And then guess what? Everybody wants to learn how to do that. So he charges people like $1,000 a course to do what he did. Most of them will probably fail, but guess what? He's charging even more money to the students, right? And he's a really good example of if you're successful at anything, train people how to do that too. It's up to them to be successful. Right? You can't generate success for them, but you can teach them how to do it. And a whole training series and system can come out of that. So good luck with it, and I'll look forward to hearing good results about how you try this.